gosh, guys. June, Jin, Yoongi, here's J-Hope, Jimin, Jungkook, and Tae. Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me in unboxing these babies. I went to Target to pick something up. I picked up my second Love Yourself Here album, O version. Yes, I was there to pick this up, but then I remembered to check the toy section because I've been looking for these chibi dolls for a long time. I was so happy to find this at the second Target I went to, and I was even more surprised to find them 50% off. So without further ado, let's go unbox these. Alright my friends, let's start with Namjoon. Ooh. Oh, I thought I broke it. Oh, it has a tie. Yay! So cute. Here's Namjoon, the tiny one. And here's the life-sized RM. So cute. Alright, next one is Jin. Ta-da! So cute. There you go. Look at that. So cute. So there's little Jin, and there's life-size Jin. Next one. Next is Yoongi. There's Yoongi. So cute. Look at the booty. Little Yoongi and life-sized. Next, our Hope, J-Hope. The glasses are so cute. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, it doesn't come off. There is J-Hope. Look at his shirt. So cute. And the ripped jeans. So cute. There's little J-Hope and life-size J-Hope. Next one is Jimin. Oh, look at him in his cap. So cute. Oh, look at him. So cute. Again, the ripped jeans. Little Jimin and the life-size Jimin. He's so adorable. Next one is Tae. Oh, everyone was in line to take a picture of the life-size Tae. Oh, nothing. There's Tae, so cute. Love the hair and the little heart. Look at the little hearts. There's little Tae, and there's the life-size Tae. Here you go. Last but not the least. Let's go. Alright, we have Jungkook. JK. So cute. Here's Jungkook. Cute. Look at that.